We would like, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome to season 10 of the YouTube recording right here on YouTube Recording HD. So for today, in Maryland, we are definitely showing 63 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly sunny. Feels like 64 degrees. Expect sunny skies. The high will be 87 degrees. The air quality with the yellow stuff of 57. Wind 2 miles per hour. Humidity 88%. Visibility 9.9 mile. Pressure 30.22 inch. And finally, dew point 60 degrees. Notice it's going to be 87 degrees sunny, but we're going to stick with 63 degrees mostly sunny. So we're going to start off really strong for season 10 and even the YouTube recording weather of season 10. So let's go over to the Doppler radar. As you notice, ladies and gentlemen, there is no rain right here in the state of Maryland. So it's quiet and empty. With the wind showing 3 miles per hour right here in Baltimore BWI Airport. Same thing goes to in Washington. Same thing in Lexington Park. The lowest number of 1 mile showing in Salisbury, Pocomoke City, and Cumberland. 2 miles per hour in Hagerstown and Frederick. And so is Easton. And then the clouds. We have a little bit of clouds. So clouds are in Allegheny County, Garrett County, Washington County, a little bit in Harford County, Cecil County, even nearby Ocean City. So the clouds are going to be moving on the southeast side. So we don't have a lot of clouds because it's going to be mostly sunny around more than 60 degrees. With the humidity showing in Baltimore 80%, so is in Washington. 82% in Hagerstown and Frederick. 83% in Easton, 85% in Lexington Park. Salisbury, 77%. 76% in Cumberland. So in Maryland, we're on the sky blue. So sky blue represents 80%. And with the green stuff in Garrett County showing more than 60%. With the visibility, we're mostly on the gray stuff of more than 12.4. All over in Maryland, we're mostly on the 18 mile. We do have 15 mile in Lexington Park, 16.6 mile in Pocomoke City. With the sea level pressure, give it time to load. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have to skip the sea level pressure because of the technical difficulties. So we're moving on to the dew point. So right here in Baltimore with the BWI Airport, we're definitely showing 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Washington 60, 58 in Hagerstown, 52 in Cumberland, Easton 62, Salisbury 56, and finally Lexington Park 63. Now with the air quality, we do have 52 that are moderate, like we've been telling you. So it's 52 that are moderate. With the air quality is acceptable, however, members of sensitive groups may be at risk. So you don't have to close windows unless if you're cold. Now let's check out the other numbers with the Maryland. 31 in Frederick, 24 in Hagerstown, 23 in Cumberland. The highest number, which is more than 50. 51 in Washington, 35 in Lexington Park, 38 in Easton, 37 in Salisbury, and Pocomoke City, 46. With the pollen, we do have moderate yellow, high orange. So we are definitely showing 80s and 70s, but we're mostly on the 80s, all over in the state of Maryland where you live. So before we're going to get to the 80s, we're going to move on, so we're going to go to the other numbers. So we do have more than 70 in Frederick and Cumberland. More than 60 in Washington. Now with the 80s, we're showing in Baltimore, BWI, Hagerstown, Easton, Salisbury, Pocomoke City, and Lexington Park, and so on. So we're mostly on the orange. And then temperatures. So ladies and gentlemen, so things are going to be changed because it's not fall yet. So at nighttime, it's going to be cold and condensation. So later on, temperatures are going to be really hot. But in the meantime, temperatures are going to be on the 60s, on the green stuff. Now we're mostly on the 60s, which is mostly sunny. So we do have mostly sunny, except Oakland, sunny around 54. In fact, we do have more than 50 degrees, so that's one location, which is in Oakland. Nearly 60s, which is in Cumberland. All over in Maryland, we do have the 60s, mostly sunny. With the historical weather. So with the hottest months will be around July. So right now we're on August. With the coldest months will be January. Wettest months will be May and in August. Windiest month will be in March. Now with the high temperatures, so with the max, which is going to be more than 166 average, 24 minutes. Low temperature, 82 max, 49 average, 14 minutes. Precipitation, 4.21 max, 0.19 average, no minutes. 17.2 max, 6.88 average, 2 minutes. With the average of the rain will be 0.10 inch. Record showing 2.29 inch with the year of 1957. With the snow days, there's nothing with the year of 1951. With the humidity, average 70.34%, record showing 93.54% with the year of 1967. With the wind, 5.2 miles per hour, record showing 10.90 miles per hour, 1982. Record high, 93 degrees, 2007. Record low, 57 degrees, 1963. Average high, 86 degrees. Average low, 69 degrees. So, 6:29 a.m. sunrise, 7:46 p.m. sunset. So today is going to be mostly sunny. Tomorrow is going to be sunny around 88 degrees. As always, ladies and gentlemen, here is the rest of the forecast. Listen carefully. So Tuesday and Wednesday will be more than 90 degrees sunny. But on Tuesday it's going to be 90, Wednesday 95. With the rain showers will be 90 degrees. On Friday will be mostly cloudy around 79 degrees. And finally, with partly sunny, will be on Saturday around 85 degrees. So I want you, ladies and gentlemen, to enjoy this season 10 of the YouTube recording. And don't forget, the family reunion will be coming up around 7 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't want to miss that season premiere of the YouTube recording.